What's up, guys? It's Dave in the warehouse, and today I've got a really cool kit called Just Kitten Around, and this is made with kitty corn fabrics by Moda, and the designer here is Wendy Sheppard. Anyway, the prints on this one are really cool. Just going out to, you've got some 1930s style cat sitting on a pumpkin here, and then one I really like. It's probably hard to see. We can zoom in on that. We've got spiders right here. Really, I don't know why they're messing with the moon or whatever that is, but I don't know. Very cool quilt here. Obviously, very large, pretty decent size, 6'1", so you can kind of have about arm length there, 72 inches wide, something like that. But great kit. And we have this for sale online, of course, at keepsakequilting.com. Always worth a look. And look forward to you guys hopefully getting this in your home.